guys, what's good? What's popping? It's your girl Bhavna back at it again with another exciting video. And I'm super duper excited for today's video and I can't wait to show you guys the energy, the vibe today is so high because I got something from Amazon and are you guys ready? So I've ordered something from Amazon on the Prime Day, that is yesterday 6th, and I got it today morning. So I thought I should quickly sit down and do a video. So without any further ado, let's open this and see what we got. I mean, I know what I got, but I just wanna I'm so happy. I'm super duper excited. So I finally got this Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. Oh my god, you guys. I finally purchased a camera. So I have been thinking about this since a very long time now. So I cut down my options to 3 cameras. One is the Canon M50 and the Sony a6400 and then this one, the Sony ZV-1. I've been waiting for this camera since 3 months. I mean, I went to check out the M50 camera in one of the stores in Koti. I think it's the Tokyo Japan Center. So I wanted to check out how the camera is and everything, but the salesperson told me that ma'am, you can wait for a couple of months, there's a new camera launch happening from Sony, because I was keen on getting a Sony camera because of the quality and the focus. Okay, now I am not a camera expert. Before getting into the video, let me tell you that I am not a camera expert. You can call me a camera virgin. Okay, I've never worked with cameras myself, but I know I've worked with photographers. I know how it is, but I don't know the technicalities and anything. Absolutely zero. Till now, I was filming on my phone. Right now, also, I'm filming on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is pretty good. I wouldn't complain. This has been serving me very well. But I wanted a professional camera to up my quality and to up my game on YouTube. I want to get into this full time, so I wanted a dedicated equipment to film my videos. Okay, the thing which happened with my phone, I'm not complaining that I'm filming on my phone or something. Definitely you can start off with your phone if you are a new YouTuber. I am a new YouTuber as well, but I actually thought I'll purchase a camera for myself when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I think we're gonna reach that milestone pretty soon if you guys cooperate with me and subscribe to my channel maybe. But the thing is that this camera launched in India on the Prime Day, that is yesterday. I was waiting till 12 o'clock because I didn't know if the camera will be available since midnight 12 o'clock. So I was up till midnight 12 o'clock and luckily it was available, so I grabbed it then and there. And today when I woke up to see if the camera is still available, it's out of stock. I knew that this camera would be sold in a jiffy. Okay, let me just tell you what exactly happened. So I was telling that I wanted to get a camera for myself when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So I thought maybe that's a good milestone for my YouTube channel. So then if I get it, I would be really happy. I would have done a giveaway and showed you guys a camera. But the thing is that this camera was initially priced for 77,990 rupees, but on Amazon Prime Day there was a 10,000 rupees off on this camera. You guys know I am a sucker for sales and I like to grab anything during a sale. They were giving 10,000 rupees off on this bad boy, so I thought this is the right time to pick it up rather than spending more 10,000 and buying it for the exact price. So I think I got it for 67,000-ish change. I don't remember the exact price. I'll leave it on the screen. So yeah, your girl is finally having a camera right now. So hereafter you guys will be seeing me film many vlogs for you guys, many beauty YouTube videos, many lifestyle videos with this bad boy. So let's open it. I'm super duper excited. So right after opening, I see that there are 2 boxes here. So one is the camera box and the second one is the tripod box. Let me just open it and show it to you guys. So can you see it here that it's written content creator kit? So Sony has especially curated this camera for content creators, which intrigued me more to try out this. I told you that I wanted to pick Canon M50 because that was a really good videography camera, and I also had Sony a6400 400, but I think that was kind of up for my budget. Like, I wanted to get it with a specific lens, so that was costing me around 97,000, so I didn't have that budget. This was really good. Like, I've seen so many reviews on this. Initially this was launched in US, so I've seen so many reviews, content creators rave about this camera. So there's so many special features which Sony added in this camera, which is really user friendly to people who are just starting off or camera virgins like me. So there are a few items which come with this camera, and you get a 64 GB memory card with this. You get a battery extra, and also what do you get? Let me see. I'm very new to this. It's like I'm unboxing a toy. You know you're adulting if you are unboxing a camera and you're really excited. So you get a USB charger to charge your camera, and you get this pouch. I think this pouch is for the tripod, I guess. I didn't open the tripod. I'll show you guys in a bit. Also, you get a dead cat mic with this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the dead cat mic. You need to put it on top of the camera to cancel any external noise. So I've learned quite a bit of terms because I've been working with Mahesh and my brother. Okay, you guys, finally. So it's wrapped in this white packaging, and this is the Sony ZV-1 camera, guys. Look at it. Look how cute and compact this is. Like, I can put it in my pocket and go out. I've seen many reviews about Sony cameras in general that they don't really have a viewfinder, because viewfinder is really important if you are a content creator, because you need to see if you are in focus. I don't have a viewfinder with my phone, but I connect it to my laptop and I check myself if I am in focus, if I'm in the frame or something. But Sony has finally heard their audience, and they have a viewfinder right now in this new camera. It has a flip viewfinder here, so when you are filming from the front you can see yourself. Also, you can turn it like this. It just flips back and forth. Let me just switch it on. So you see this here, you gotta insert your memory card in this slot. Oh shit, I forgot to show you guys the actual gadget, the beautiful tripod. So this is what the packaging looks like. So you get a Bluetooth tripod with this. So it's bubble wrapped in this. So here you go, this is what it looks like. So I think you gotta like fix it on top of the camera. Let me just do it. Today morning when the delivery person called me, I was super duper excited. I didn't even brush my teeth. I was just waiting for him to come and deliver. So yeah, this is how it gets fixed on top of the tripod, and you can like spread your tripod like this, put it on a surface. You can fix it somewhere and you can record your videos, or you can just close it and use it as a vlogging tripod. It also bends like this, if you can see. Okay guys, I fixed the tripod and fixed the dead cat. We switched on the camera. Let me just record some footage with this and I'll show you guys. Alright, so you see the button right here. This is the record button. Damn good, guys. Okay, so let me just film with this camera so I can show you guys how the focus detection is and everything. Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, I'm currently filming on my new camera, that is the Sony ZV-1. So let me see how the product detection is on this camera. Just let me grab something. Okay. You guys remember before I used to place my hand and make my phone detect. I've seen such issues happen with M50 as well. Like, I've seen many people complain about the focusing issue, that they weren't happy with the focusing thing. I was really particular about my focus because I didn't want to waste my time on like focusing this product and just moving myself and stuff like that. But so that's the reason I think this is really good. Like, look at that. Look at the focus. Let me show you with another product as well. Wow. Wow, guys. Like, can you see the detection in a fraction of seconds? Like, we'll try with a couple of other products as well. proof is in front of you guys that its focus detection is on point, which I think is really important for every creator. If you are a lifestyle YouTuber or a beauty content creator, you will have to show your products, make sure that you guys are in focus, the products are in focus and everything. So far so good, guys. Like, I'm super duper impressed so far. But let me just take this camera out, show you guys around and take you guys through the natural lighting and show how the footage is. I thought initially I'll shoot some content, so yeah, we'll go out, we'll check, we'll see. Again, I'm not a camera expert. I just want my camera to be easy and just be working very well. The thing which really impressed me was the compactness of the camera. The second thing is the focus detection. It's mind-blowing for a newbie like me. I'm a noob, okay? When it comes to camera, gadgets and everything, I'm a noob. But if it's working for me, if I feel like this is easy to use, then everybody can use it, I feel. Again, this is not a complete review. Keep that in your mind. This is not a complete review. This is just a first impression on this camera, how it is. I have to go into the technicalities, the settings and everything of the camera, and I'll have to learn about the camera. Yeah, we need to become friends, like my camera and I need to become best buddies in the world. I just got introduced to it. I think it pretty much seemed to be happy with me. Alright buddy, we're gonna go out and vibe with each other. So yeah, I'll just see you guys out. Hi guys, what's up? So I just came out. We're gonna shoot a couple of B-rolls and I'm gonna check how this works in the natural lighting. I'm not a camera expert, but we're gonna see. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys around and see the recording quality and everything. So far so good. I'm really loving this compact camera. Hey guys, so we are at the location right now. I don't know the place exactly, but so I think this is around the IT space. I'm very bad with places and their names. So this road seems like it's very calm and chill, so we thought we'll shoot a couple of B-rolls here. Guys, I'm back home. I hope you guys liked the footage. Don't worry, we took all the safety measures. Like, it was just for the video that I got rid of my mask, but I had it. Please don't come at me that, oh my god, it's coronavirus, why are you even roaming out? Like, I had my safety measures, guys. I had my gloves, I had my mask, I had a sanitizer, but I removed it for the video. So I hope you guys liked the first impressions, but I just want to tell you guys something which I found out recently with this camera is that the mic which I showed to you guys, that's shredding. Like, I don't know if that's normal. Just a moment. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys are able to see, but yeah, so it started shredding. I don't know if it's supposed to be normal or whatever, but I really liked the compactness of the mic. It's very cute for the camera. So far the camera is so good. It has been treating me very well. We became pretty close to each other. So yeah, that's it. I'm so happy to film this video, to finally get my hands on a new camera for my YouTube. This makes me so happy that I can film more videos of a better quality. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. You guys support me so much and I'm so happy that you guys are genuine to me, and I would really appreciate if you would be consistent with the love that you are showering, and I would definitely 100% be consistent with my content, and I would never take your love for granted, period. So yeah, I'm gonna film more B-rolls and more vlogs with this bad boy who's sitting right in front of me. So I'll get into the technicalities, I'll get into the settings and everything. So yeah, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.